Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Welcome to my digital sessions, oxidation, mercuration and epoxidations. Student, today I will be discuss the oxidation reactions in the form of carbon oxygen bonds and oxidation reactions of alkanes, and that is the epoxidation, hydroxylation and ozonolysis. So epoxidation of alkenes. Epoxidation of alkenes are obtained epoxides and three-membered cyclic ethers. So alkane react with the peroxides RCOOH react with the alkene and convert to epoxide oxyrenes plus acid compounds. So for examples are given below. In epoxidizing reagents are peroxyacetic acid, peroxybenzoic acid and metachloroperoxybenzoic acids. MCPBA and PHCOCHA are epoxidizing agents. So alkene react with the epoxidizing agent, convert to epoxide and acids. So examples, alkene CH2 double bond CH2 react with the peroxide RCOH या पर एसिटिक ऑक्साइड्स या पर बेंजोइक ऑक्साइड या मेटाक्लोरो पर बेंजोइक एसिड्स. So convert to the product is epoxides. Okay. So again, next example are cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is react with metachloroperbenzoic acid in the presence of CH3Cl2 at 25 degrees Celsius. Convert to the epoxy ions at 1,2-epoxy cyclohexanes products. Next examples are cycloheptene. Cycloheptene react with metachloroperbenzoic acid in the presence of CH2Cl2 at 25 degrees Celsius temperature and convert to the product of 1,2-epoxy cycloheptanes is a major product. Next are hydroxylation of alkenes. Hydroxylation of alkene are converting an alkene to the glycol required additing a hydroxyl groups. So to each end of the double bonded, so hydroxylation reagents are osmium tetraoxides and potassium permanganates. First examples are osmium tetraoxides is a hydroxylation of alkanes are OSO4. So for examples are explained in given below. So alkane react with OSO4 or KMNO4 react with H2O2 convert to glycols 1,2-diol as the major products. Okay. So examples are given below. Ethene react with KMNO4 in the presence of aqueous solutions OH and called, so convert to the product of 1,2-ethane diols plus MnO2. And the next example are propene react with KMNO4 and convert to the product 1,2-propane diol plus MnO2. As known as a Beer's test. So next examples, next reactions are ozonolysis of alkanes. So ozonolysis, the reactions of alkane with ozone O3 to form on ozonolized, followed by hydrolysis on the ozonides to the produce aldehyde and or ketones. So widely used to determine the positions of the carbon-carbon double bonds, and the ozonolysis is the Mindler, and both ketones and aldehyde can be recovered without further oxidations. So C double bond C R dash H react with O3 convert to ozonide compound is an intermediate. Ozonide convert react with CH3 का whole twice S and in the presence of H2O and zinc convert to the ketones plus aldehydes is a major product. So it is the process of aldehyde and ketone, preparation of aldehyde and ketones in the ozonolysis of alkenes. Okay. So good examples are ozonolysis of alkenes. So next example are 3-nonene. 3-nonene are reacted with ozonide and in the presence of dimethyl sulfide and react with the product. Two products are formed and aldehyde and ketones. So two major products. So both products are aldehydes. And next examples are CS3 or the major examples are given below. In first process are ozonolysis, and second process are CS3 dimethyl sulfide convert to the products formations. Okay students, thank you.